Well, CSAV Systems is very unique, and I think one of the ways that we're most unique is we like to do business the way people need us to do business. So we're very client-focused, whether it's the timing of our service or just the way our phones are answered at the office, or even our sales representatives that go out and meet with people. They want to learn and find out more about the client to build a relationship that's long-lasting. We still take the client's culture into account whenever we design systems and whenever we service them. As you can see by this wall of cables and connectors and miscellaneous hardware, as we say, we try to have all of the latest cables, parts, miscellaneous things that allow us to create custom systems. So when we walk into a venue, it's not like we're thinking what's back in the warehouse that we could sell to this client. What we do is we start with a clean slate. We look at the person's specific need. We look at the capability of the client. Are they technologically advanced, or they need something very simple to operate? And then we look at the aesthetics of the environment. Will the equipment fit well and look right in the environment? And then, of course, we look at the budget as well. And once we do design the system and we're engaged by the client, then we move forward into the installation phase, where our technicians are professional, neat and clean. They come out, they do the work properly, they get it done to the client's satisfaction. Then they provide training to show the client how to use the system, and most importantly, we're there for the long-term support with our very unique and exclusive 3-year parts and labor warranty that I don't know of anyone else in the industry that offers. It's part of every system installation we provide, full 3-year parts and labor warranty coverage. We're there for the long haul because we're looking forward to that long-term relationship with all of our clients.